Hello, welcome to Twist Fashion. Today I'm going to be making a very easy loop fascinator. What you will need is cinnamon, a headband or hair clip, crocodile clip, a needle and thread, and some feathers. Or you can go without the feathers. Or you can buy a ready-made or a kit, a fascinator kit. That comes with the hairband, feathers and cinnamon, a strip of cinnamon. I'll link it below. So let's cut a 10cm strip on the bias. So once you've got your strip of cinnamon, you're going to fold that in half and then fold in the raw edges like so and iron that into place. Then we're going to cut off the ends. And start looping it. So I generally start with a sort of figure of 8, like so, and that one comes round as well. And someone was asking me the size of the loops, so I would say it's about 5 inches, which is 12.5 centimeters for one loop, if you can see that. 12.5 on the other side, just to make it even. So you've got that figure, then you're going to loop that round again. Just make sure that's nice and smooth. Loop that round again. Maybe that one can be turned round. Yeah, that looks a bit better. And then this one, like this. Make sure it's nice and smooth. And tuck in the raw edge just in between, so that's all nice and neat. So make sure it's even, maybe make this loop a little bit bigger. Now I'd all do it on the eye really, so you can imagine that sitting on the head like that, on a headband or in a clip if you prefer, a crocodile clip, and then you can maneuver it however you like on the head. Right, let's clip this into place, and I'm going to use my needle and thread and just stitch through that and stitch it onto, I'm going to use a headband, I prefer those, onto a headband, and then we'll add the feathers. So I've stitched the headband onto the loops and added the feathers sporadically. Now I'll show you what it looks like on the mannequin. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching. Bye.